Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solve a interesting exponential math problem which is x to the power 1250 is equal to 5 to the power x to the power 2 x is equal to what? How to solve this interesting exponential maths problem. I solved this question easy method or math solution. Our question which is x to the power 1 2 5 0 is equal to 5 to the power x to the power 2. This is our question. Now, first of all, I can see easily this expression, it will be x to the power, it will be 2 times 6 to 5 is equal to 5 to the power x to the power 2. Now, under that, the exponential formula, a to the power m, and which is a to the power m whole to the power n. If I apply this exponential math formula, this expression, it will be x to the power 2 bracket whole to the power 6 to 5 is equal to 5 to the power x to the power 2. Now this is x to the power 2, this is x to the power 2. So at this moment, let x to the power 2 is equal to m. Now I substitute this below here, so it will be m to the power 6 to 5 is equal to, this is 5 to the power m. Now I use both side exponent 1 over m, so this exponential expression, it will be m to the power 6 to 5 bracket whole to the power 1 over m is equal to 5 to the power m bracket whole to the power 1 over m. Now this expression, it will be m to the power 6 to 5 times, which is 1 over m, is equal to, this is 5 to the power m times 1 over m. Now this m is cancel out. We'll find out which is m to the power 6 to 5. This time this, it will be this over this m is equal to 5. Now at this moment, I use again both side exponent, which is m to the power 6 to 5 over m bracket whole to the power 1 over 6 to 5 is equal to 5 to the power 1 over 6 to 5. I use both side exponent 1 over 6 to 5. Now this time this, so it will be m to the power 6 to 5 over m times 1 over, this is 6 to 5 is equal to 5 to the power 1 over 6 to 5. Now this 6 to 5, this 6 to 5 is cancelled. We'll find out which is m to the power 1 over m is equal to 5 to the power 1 over 6 to 5. Now how to find out the value of m in this exponential expression? Let me explain. At this moment, I can see easily this expression, it will be m to the power 1 over m is equal to 5 to the power 1 times, this is 1 over 6 to 5. Then this is m, power is 1 over m is equal to, this expression, it will be 5 to the power 5 over 5. Oh no, that 5 divided 5, this is 1 times, here is exponent 1 over 6 to 5. Now this is m to the power 1 over m, then this expression, you can see it will be 5 to the power 5. I take this 5 here, bracket whole to the power, it will be 1 over this 5 here times this exponent will be 6 to 5. Now in this expression, m to the power 1 over m is equal to 5 to the power 5 is equal to what? How to simplify this expression? So 5 to the power 5, you can see it will be 5 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 2 times 5. This is 25 and this is 25. So 25 times 25, it will be 625. 625 times 5, it will be 3125. Now, at this moment, you can say this is 300, 1025, then this is 1, and this 5 times 625, this is 3125. Now, at this moment, if I compare both, at this moment, you can see easily here, m is equal to 3125. Now remember that, or recall, m is equal to x squared. I substitute this value here, so m is equal to x squared. So I take this value here. Our target x is equal to what? So this is x to the power 2 is equal to 3, 1, 2, 5. Then I use both sides square root, so which is x to the power 2 bracket square root. Then here is a square root 3, 1, 2, 5. Then at this moment, this squared is cancelled. We'll find out it will be x, and this is plus minus, and this expression it will be 25 times 25 times 5. Now this is x and this is plus minus, and it will be square root 25 times square root 25. I separate this case and square root 5. Now at this moment, you can say here x is equal to plus minus, this is square root 25, which is 5 times square root 25, it will be 5 times, and this is square root 5. Then this is x is equal to plus minus 5 times 5, this is 25, and this is square root 5. So we'll find out our final answer, which is x is equal to plus minus 25 whole square root 5. So our question, which is x to the power 1, 2, 5, 0 is equal to, this is 5 to the power x to the power 2. Here x is equal to plus minus 25 square root 5. This is our final answer in this viral exponential maths problem.